Lesson 3 of Learn Your Scales and Arpeggios for Saxophone is about minor keys. This tutorial video is designed to accompany the worksheet which you have downloaded from planzmusic.com. It is important that you follow all the instructions on this worksheet, as this video will not cover all that is required by itself. It explains how the 12 minor keys are related to the 12 major keys. If you are uncertain about how key signatures work, there is a worksheet available from the website explaining this. Basically, every major key has a relative minor which shares its key signature. We take for example F major, F, G, A, B flat, C, D, E, F. The relative minor is based on the 6th step of the major scale. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 brings us to D. So here is a D minor scale using the same notes as F major until we get to the 7th step, which is raised by a semitone. The step from B flat to C sharp is 3 semitones, which is bigger than any step anywhere else in major or minor scales, and can cause quite a bit of confusion in the learning of minor scales. Here is D minor again. Here is the scale of D minor. And here is the arpeggio of D minor. Practice Plan 3 contains work on the new scale and arpeggio, as well as routine drilling of the scales and arpeggios of F and G majors. Be sure to do exactly what it says and don't cut corners. Remember to tick the boxes as you go.